I'm gonna show you a problem I was having with my Reolink Argus 2 wire-free security camera. But let me show you what was going on. When I log on right here to my Reolink app and I try to connect, it was getting connection failed. And I tried it 5, 6, 7, 8 different times and I was still getting the same thing. I'm gonna try it again here. I'm gonna show you it won't connect. So what I had to do was, here on my iPhone, I went to the Wi-Fi and I turned this off. So I just went in, turned that off. Then I went back to my app and I tried to connect. The first time it didn't connect, but the second time it did connect. So anytime after that, it would connect. So the best thing to do is just turn your Wi-Fi off and it'll connect right away. As you can see, this the second time it loaded. As you can see, the countdown right here is counting. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.